Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Trading Chief. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I cover biopharmaceutical stocks that have new drug applications going through the FDA or biological license applications that are going through the FDA for review, and try to determine how we can trade those to make money. I also cover stock mergers, which you'll see on my channel. I've put up a bunch of them here lately. But sorry, I got Discord bots going off in the background. But today we're going to be taking a look at an FDA review, and the ticker is AMRX or Amneal Pharmaceuticals. And I just kind of want to go over the drug that they have coming up. It's got an FDA review on June 30th, but we're going to go back and we're going to look at the phase 3 data because that's what the company sends into the FDA to review, which has all their safety data and statistics on it. And then we're going to kind of determine whether or not if this is going to be approved. The first news article we're going to look at is from August 25th of 2021. And we'll kind of go over what it's talking about. This is on August 25th of 2021. It says Amneal announces positive top-line results from pivotal phase 3 RISE PD clinical trial of IPX 203. PD is for Parkinson's disease. That says Amneal announces positive top-line results from pivotal phase 3 RISE PD clinical trial of IPX 203 in patients with Parkinson's disease who experience motor fluctuations. Amneal Pharmaceuticals Inc. New drug application submission to FDA planned for mid 2022. So again, this was in August of 2021, and they were planning on submitting the FDA application in the middle of 2022. Amneal Pharmaceuticals Inc. trial met its primary endpoint. That's very important because that tells us whether or not if it's going to likely be approved or denied. It says Amneal's secondary endpoint for change from baseline in off time showed IPX 203 resulted in significantly less off time versus immediate release, CD and LD. I don't remember what these stand for, but I know it's in the next news article, so we'll take a look at that one as well. So the next news article is also from August 25th of 2021, and it says Amneal Pharmaceuticals is up 14% after hours on IPX 203 study results. And then this is Dow Jones Amneal Pharmaceuticals up 14% after hours on IPX 203 study results. And this is by whoever this person is. Amneal Pharmaceuticals shares rose 14% to $6.31 after hours as the company reported favorable results from a phase 3 trial of IPX 203 in patients with Parkinson's disease who experience motor fluctuations. The company plans to submit a new drug application to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration in mid-2022. Amneal said the results represent a substantial step forward in strengthening Amneal's specialty pharma portfolio, which is heavily focused on medicines for central nervous system disorders. IPX 203 is an extended release formulation of, this is the CD/LD, is cardopa and levodopa. Amneal said the study was successful in demonstrating statistically significant improvement and efficiency for IPX 203 compared to immediate release cardopa and levodopa. So that's what your CD and LD stand for. I just want to point out, it says it was at $6.31 back in August of 21. Currently it's trading at $2 even in the after hours at this point. So it's on a major discount for this upcoming drug catalyst. Not saying that it'll repeat the past and go back to $6. I'm not saying that at all, but just wanted to point it out to everybody. The next news article we're going to look at is from August 31st of 2022. And then it's going to be this one right here. It says Amneal announced the submission of a new drug application to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration for IPX 203 for the treatment of Parkinson's disease. It says IPX 203 is a novel, extended release oral formulation of cardopa and levodopa that, if approved, would offer patients more good on time with fewer doses. So there's a plus. Longer good on time with fewer doses. It says Amneal Pharmaceuticals today announced it has submitted a new drug application to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, a novel oral formulation of cardopa levodopa, extended release capsules for the treatment of Parkinson's disease. The submission is based on results from the pivotal phase 3 RISE PD clinical trial demonstrating more good on time compared to the immediate release CD/LD, even when IPX 203 was dosed on average 3 times per day, and immediate release CD/LD was dosed on average 5 times per day. The trial also showed that subjects on IPX 203 demonstrated significantly less off time compared with immediate release CD/LD. A post hoc analysis of the least squares difference at end of study week 20 showed that IPX 203 provided 1.55 more hours of good on time per dose versus immediate release CD/LD, representing a 70% per dose increase. We are committed to furthering the advancement of treatments that can provide longer lasting duration of benefits with every dose and simplify medication regimens. The RISE PD data indicates IPX 203 can offer patients a new and important treatment option that will enable them to have more good on time during the day, which we believe would be a significant new benefit to Parkinson's patients. We're working with the FDA to bring the treatments to the market. Many people living with PD experience motor fluctuations as part of their symptoms. On time refers to periods when these symptoms are better controlled and patients can move and function better. Extending good on time and reducing off time are often key goals for patients, caregivers, and healthcare providers, as this can provide more consistent symptom control throughout the day. CD/LD has been the gold standard for treatment for PD since the 1970s, but additional options are needed that can help patients function more consistent with an increase in good on time per dose. Based on data with the Amneal clinical trials, IPX 203 can offer patients additional good on time with reduced dose frequency compared to the immediate release CD/LD. So, just some benefits of the new coverage that's going on with it. I'm not going to go through all this. You're more than welcome to come look at it from August 31st, 2022 is the data that came out. The next news article I want to take a look at is on November 11th of 22, and it's this one right here. It says Amneal announces U.S. FDA filing acceptance of the new drugs application for IPX 203 for treatment of Parkinson's disease. It says IPX 203 could offer people living with Parkinson's disease a longer duration of symptom control with less frequent dosing compared to CD/LD treatment. IR is instant release. The FDA has assigned a Prescription Drug Users Fee Act date of June 30th of 2023. So based off of the information that we've read, I think this drug will get approved, but I think it's going to get an AdCon to be evaluated by a panel prior to the June 30th, which will should make the stock dip. So just some thought on it. I'm not going to buy this one because I'm still uncertain of it with being a Parkinson's disease. I have a feeling that it's going to get pushed. So just my 2 cents on it. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Consider hitting the like and subscribe button, and come check us out in the Banking with Billy Discord. All right, thanks.